In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a wireframe in Balsamiq, making sure you're all set to preserve your fantastic design work quickly and efficiently. Let's dive into the process and ensure that each step is comprehensible and straightforward. To begin with, we'll need to launch the Balsamiq desktop app. This is your starting point, where all the magic happens. If you have a shortcut on your desktop, simply double-click on it, or search for Balsamiq in your applications list if it's not already pinned. Once the app opens, you'll be greeted with the Balsamiq interface, which is designed to be intuitive and user-friendly, making it an excellent tool for crafting wireframes with ease. Next, we move on to customizing your canvas as needed. At this stage, you should ensure that your wireframe reflects all your design ideas. Whether you're drawing, dragging components around, or simply making notes, make sure your canvas represents your vision accurately. This way, once it's saved, you have a perfect snapshot of your thoughts and design intentions. Once you're satisfied with your design, direct your attention to the top menu bar and locate the Project option. Clicking on Project opens a drop-down menu with several choices, but the one we are interested in is Save Project. By selecting Save Project, you ensure that all your hard work is preserved and can be revisited or shared later. Now that you've clicked Save Project, you'll be prompted to provide a name for your wireframe. Naming your project is crucial for maintaining organization, especially as you develop more designs. Think of a name that's descriptive enough so that it will be easy for you or your collaborators to recognize later. Once you've decided on a name, you need to choose where on your computer you'd like to save the file. This could be a specific folder you've set up for your design projects or your desktop for quick access. After choosing your desired location, go ahead and click Save again. By doing this, you're ensuring your file is exactly where you want it, with a name that's easy to recall. You can now rest assured that your wireframe is safely stored, and you can return to it anytime you need to make edits, duplicate it for another project, or share it with your colleagues. And that's it. In just a few simple steps, you've successfully saved your wireframe in Balsamiq. I hope this tutorial has made the process clear and straightforward for you. Thank you for watching, and happy designing with Balsamiq.